Forget everything you know about breakfast recipes, because this might be the easiest and most surprising one you'll make all week. The best part? It uses simple ingredients you probably already have at home, and the final result is unbelievably soft, fluffy, and delicious. Let's get started. First, grate 1 medium carrot. Don't skip this step. The carrot adds natural sweetness, moisture, and an amazing texture that makes this recipe stand out. Now crack in 2 eggs and whisk everything together until it's completely smooth. Before we move on, let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing people from all over the world. And you might even get a shout out in my next video. Next, pour in 1 cup of milk, then add 1 cup of oat flour. Mix gently until the batter becomes smooth with no lumps. One of my favorite things about this recipe is how quick and affordable it is. It takes just a few basic ingredients, yet the flavor tastes like something much more special. Once you try it, there's a good chance it'll become part of your regular breakfast routine. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Give everything one final mix until well combined. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I share easy, budget-friendly recipes every week that anyone can make at home. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt completely, coating the bottom of the pan. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it out evenly. Cover with a lid and cook for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, carefully flip it using a large plate or spatula. Cover again and cook for another 6 minutes, until both sides are beautifully golden and cooked through. At this point, your kitchen will smell incredible. Transfer it to a serving plate and slice it into pieces. Just look at that soft, fluffy texture. Every bite is light, moist, and packed with flavor. It's hard to believe something this delicious is made with such simple ingredients. This recipe is perfect for breakfast, brunch, an afternoon snack, or even a light dessert with a cup of coffee or tea. If you make it, let me know how it turned out in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. I'll see you in the next video!